We have Bitcoin NFTs like Ordinal Punk selling for a whopping 9.5 BTC, and floor prices for another collection called Bitcoin Rocks set at 2.7 BTC. And let me tell you, if you're living under a rock, you probably didn't know this, but if you're living under that Bitcoin rock, your net worth just went up by 2.7 BTC. And let's not talk about the damn poop emojis that's going for 1.2 BTC, which is roughly $28,000, guys. So in this video, I'll show you 5 different Bitcoin NFT marketplaces where you can potentially find the next Bitcoin Ordinal that can potentially skyrocket in value. Francis Dune, Uncensored. Okay, so it's clearly the wild, wild west right now for Bitcoin Ordinals, but let me tell you guys, the most money is made in emerging asset classes. So one of the first things you need to know is, where can I scour and seek out these opportunities? Well, the first marketplace I'll be introducing to you is ordswap.io. Ordswap.io is a sleek, easy-to-use marketplace. First, you'll need to create a Taproot-supported wallet, which you can do right on their website by clicking the wallet button on the top right-hand corner of your screen. Then scroll down to create a new wallet, which will then prompt you to another page where you will need to save your private keys in a safe place to log in and out of your Taproot wallet on ordswap.io. Hey guys, just make sure when you save your private keys, do not keep them on your computer. Put that on a USB stick and put that stuff offline, just in case in the unfortunate event that your computer gets hacked, because in order to log into ordswap.io, you actually have to use this full key. There's no password. The Market tab allows you to conduct targeted searches through recently listed ordinals, the inscription number of these ordinals, the most expensive ordinals, or the least expensive ordinals. So let's just say, for example, you're like myself and you're searching by inscription number and want to know how you can verify the legitimacy of these ordinals in regards to if the inscription number is indeed what's stated on ordswap.io. Well, all you really have to do is click on the inscription number like this, which normally directs you to the official Ordinal Explorer, which is located at ordinals.com. Over here, it validates the true inscribed BTC NFT, as you can see right here. You can also scroll down for the additional data, such as the inscription timestamp and dates and time, the genesis height, the SAT number, etc., etc. They also have a Bitcoin Ordinal collection section. Simply click the Collections tab at the top of the page and it'll direct you to a list of various Bitcoin Ordinal collections. To find more information on these items, simply click on the picture and data will populate, such as how many Bitcoin NFTs consist in this particular collection and the inscription number of these ordinals as well. The way I treat my ordswap.io Bitcoin on Taproot wallet is basically as a hot wallet. So let's just say I see a Bitcoin ordinal that I like. I would actually send Bitcoin from my cold wallet to this wallet, purchase that ordinal, and then immediately when I purchase that ordinal, I would send out that ordinal to another cold storage wallet that I have, along with any leftover BTC. Alright, so moving on to our second Bitcoin Ordinal marketplace, which is Scarce City or Scarce.city. This is strictly a Bitcoin auction house marketplace that's been around for approximately 6 years. They're the OGs and the most reputable Bitcoin marketplace in the industry to date. Now, bids are placed in Bitcoin, and in order to participate in auctions, you're actually going to need to deposit 1% of your bid for collateral, or 1 million sats, which equates to 0.01 BTC for unlimited bids. It's important to note, if you want an auction on Scarce City, you have 4 hours to claim this and to send your Bitcoin to their wallet address. Now, if you fail to complete your purchase within that 4-hour window, then the next highest bidder below you will be awarded the ordinal or asset upon his or her payment, so keep that in mind. Now, with all of that being said, I highly recommend you guys check out Scarce City's Telegram chat. You know, it does really give you in real time live auctions and detailed data, such as the current bid of an ordinal and when there is a new higher bid that is currently being auctioned. So if you see something that you like, for example, like a rare Pepe, that's another means or a channel for you to be informed rather, and not miss out on a potential auction that's taking place. Now, moving on to Ordinals Wallet or Ordinals Wallet with an S.com, which has actually grown a very quick following and user base in a short period of time. Similar to the previous marketplace we just covered, ordswap.io, you will need to create a wallet here to partake in any Bitcoin Ordinal purchases. Simply click the Create Wallet button at the top right-hand corner of the page, then proceed to create a password. Then generate your seed phrase, then fund your wallet by sending over BTC, and bada bing bada boom, you're ready to find the next ordinal gem. Now, what many people like about ordinalswallet.com is their user-friendly interface. click on the Collections tab and start scrolling down the list of the collections to see if you find anything you like. To make a more informed purchase or decision, click on the picture and additional information will populate, such as the inscription numbers, floor prices, how many sales, 24-hour trading volume, how many ordinals are listed in that collection, and the total supply. There are also links to the collection's Twitter and community discords to scope the scene out further. Now, another great resource or tool that truly separates Ordinals wallets from its competitors is the ability to search for inscriptions by the number in the search tab above. So if you simply type in number 60, well, there you go. It's a freaking eggplant with tape on it, which shows the owner's address and additional data. And guess what, guys? That shit is going to sell for mad BTC. On to our next Bitcoin Ordinal Marketplace, which is Ordinals Market or Ordinals.market. Now, these guys are pretty unique on how they operate as a Bitcoin NFT marketplace. They actually facilitate their sales through smart contracts capabilities. So this might be better suited and equipped for people who want more of a trustless user experience similar to how OpenSea operates. Ordinals Market can do this because they use a technology called the Emblem Vault, which based on their document states, therefore, to store each inscription that you wish to trade inside a vault, an ERC-721 token that lives on the Ethereum blockchain and can be traded and transferred just like any ERC-721 token. The vault itself contains the private keys to the Bitcoin address that owns the inscription, and it can be cracked open and claimed by the owner at any time. Alternatively, the owner can keep their inscription inside the vault and on the Ethereum blockchain to allow for easier trading and transfer. Now, to get started, all you really have to do is connect your MetaMask wallet and start searching by the listed collections, which shows the trading volume by 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, and of all time. Simply click on the collection you are interested in for further details to view the collection's rarity traits and available ordinals that are currently listed for sale, and you can then purchase an ordinal in more trustless manner compared to the previous marketplaces. Last but certainly not least, we have the last marketplace, which is Discord servers or chats, believe it or not. Now, in the early days of Bitcoin Ordinals, which was like about 3 weeks ago or so, believe it or not, this is where you saw these high-valued ordinals got sold, like the ordinal punks of the world. Essentially, a guy had to give another random guy 9.5 BTC for a freaking Bitcoin ordinal. Yeah, so that's what we're talking about. But once again, there are some trusted people out there, but you gotta, do your own research on this shit. If you choose to take this route when purchasing your first few Bitcoin ordinals, it can be highly risky. But at the same time, it could also be highly rewarding if your fact-checking and research is on point. So now that you know where you can purchase Bitcoin NFTs or Bitcoin Ordinals, in my next video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys exactly how you can easily create your very own Bitcoin Ordinal in seconds at a fraction of the cost with no devs needed and doesn't require a Bitcoin node. So you know what? There ain't really much left to say other than, until the next video, you're on your own. Later.